This is the air show day here at Torbay. I've just come over to where all the action is. We're here, just right on the sea.
Towards the end of the display, this is when the wing walking ladies usually detach themselves from the harness and then start doing proper wing walking around the aircraft themselves. Got 5 of these aircraft based on a beautiful airfield, an ex-Royal Flying Corps airfield, but coming through the Humpty Bumpties now as Dave pushes the stick forward, and there you see a close-up view now of Kirsting on the top of the wing as she rides the roller coaster.
This is what I like to see. Everybody's happy, good music. We might even get a dance. Who knows? We got all the facilities here, look. All the toilets, all the portables. Yeah, it's a great day. The weather's fantastic. It's probably just below 30 today, which is amply hot. And like I say, everybody's just lazing around, enjoying themselves, having a good break. That's what it's about, isn't it? Having a nice break. We go for beer in a minute, I think. It's just so hot. I mean, these prices that you'll see, especially by people that follow me in the Philippines, and that the prices to these foods here are very, very expensive. That's why I like going abroad, really. It's cheaper. I mean, look, £15 for bang bang chicken buffalo loaded fries. I mean, that's over 1,000 peso in the Philippines. And that's it's a lot of money to pay for a meal, but we're in the UK, see, completely different. Here we go again, specialities here, loaded mac and cheese. House specialities. It's starting at £7.95 for a kid's mac. It is another load over here, look.
Really excellent performer, very effective. Now, probably in the vintage heritage category.
It's quite a good idea, though, isn't it, really, to have the macaroni, and then you've got your fillings or your bits and pieces on top. And here's a bit of a menu here. Hash browns, I've not seen that before. Dirty hash, do you like it dirty? There it is.